I'm Fox. I'm Dazzle. Welcome to our toy with you. Yay! Yay!
Something from our friends at Spin Master.
Yay! Yay! Moso! No.
Let's see what you guys get.
Okay,
we have, it looks like it says Rusty Rivets. Rusty's Crush. And here's one that's Buggy Build. And here's another one, Jetpack. So we get to build these. This is Rusty and Crush. So Fox is opening the jetpack. So he's gonna take out the pieces to the jetpack and play with those.
and I'm going to open that.
Right, Fox? And Dashiell's gonna open Buggy Build. All right.
Is this that pack?
Yeah, you have the jetpack, Fox.
I made
Yay! See, he all came together. And now, that's the jetpack one.
Thank you, Spin Master. Round the cook. This was my code. I'm a boy. I'm a code.
This one is Rusty and Crush.
Rusty and Crush. Some stuff.
What do you guys think about the toy?
It's good. It's good. Let me see. This toy got a thumbs up. How did you get big up there? I fly up. It's my backpack. Tell me that's a GoPro then. No, I'm not GoPro. That's a GoPro. Do you see that right there for help? That means she's a GoPro. Yeah, but how did you get up there? I flied. With my backpack. Yeah, I saw you.
Look, he's just hiding right there.
Oh
no, Jace!
They rescue somebody. They fly and they room.
They fly?
And my room.
And they rescue?
Yeah.
Who do they rescue?
People in trouble and people in fire for my gun.
Are you guys hugging Chase?
Like my trap. Don't cave on them. But life's smooth. Come on. Now, get down there.